Hi everyone. Last session we have discussed about the types of the fractions and how to find the equivalent fractions. And today's topic we are going to learn about when a couple of fractions or two fractions are given, how to find whether they are equivalent or not. Just I am going to take one of the fraction as 2 by 3 and the next one is 4 by 12. Let us see how to find whether these two fractions are equivalent or not. For that, the first step what you need to do is cross multiply. What you need to cross multiply? First numerator of the first fraction and the second fraction denominator, and the next one second numerator with first denominator. So 2 into 12, this the product is 24, and 3 into 4, the product is 12. So here we are getting two different products. So we can conclude that these are not equivalent fractions. The condition for equivalent fractions is when you cross multiply, the product must be same. So here, as the product is different, these are said to be not equivalent fractions. We move on with the one more example, that is 2 by 7 with 8 by 28. Right. Now we apply the same formula. 2 multiply with 28 and 7 multiply with 8. So 2 into 28 is 56 and 7 into 8 is again 56. So here we got both the products same. So we can conclude that these are equivalent fractions. What are these? Equivalent fractions. Last session we understood that equivalent means equal value. So this is how you need to find whether the given fractions are equivalent or not. Yeah, when you move on to the next topic, that is addition of the like and unlike fractions. So last session we have discussed that like fractions and unlike fractions are different. Now here we are going to discuss how to do addition with like and unlike. First we will see how to add like fractions. We know the definition of the like fractions, that is the denominators must be same. Here 9 by 15 plus 3 by 15. These two are called like fractions. So while doing the addition of these like fractions, both the denominators, they are having the same denominator as 15. So take only one 15 and again add both the numerators. 9 plus 3 is 12 by 15. So this is the sum of these two fractions. So this will be possible only in case of like fractions. You can take as many number of fractions as you like, but the condition is they must be like. You can do like this. Suppose next one more we will try with three fractions. 1 by 9 plus 2 by 9 plus 3 by 9. Here also same thing. All are having in the denominator only 9. Take only single time 9. 1 plus 2 plus 3, that is 6 by 9. So this is the sum of 1 by 9 plus 2 by 9 plus 3 by 9. So this condition you should apply only when the given fractions are like. Now if the given fractions are unlike, what you need to do? Like for example 2 by 5 plus 4 by 7. These are called unlike fractions. Why? Because the denominators are different. So first step you need to make them like. How will you make them like? We have a problem only with the denominators. That denominators, if you obtain the same number, automatically they will become into like fractions. Now take the LCM of the denominators 5 and 7. So before taking LCM, whenever you are taking LCM, first you must know about the prime numbers. Here we have to use only prime numbers. So a small list of prime numbers 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19 and so on. You have to keep the list. Now you can start with 2. Will it be possible to divide 5 and 7 with 2? Not possible. So here with 3, the next number is 3. Even 3 table also not possible. Now I want to go with 5 table. Take 5 table. 5 table, when will you get 5? 5 ones are 5. Will you get 7? No, carry down 7 as it is. And now go on with 7 table. 7 ones are 7. So the final LCM will be 5 into 7, 35. This is the number you need to get in both the denominators. Now take the first fraction 2 by 5, and what is the denominator here? 5. But how much you need? 35. So multiply numerator and denominator with 7. Now 2 sevens are 14, 5 sevens are 35. Same like that, bring the another fraction 4 by 7. Now here the denominator is 7, but you want 35. How will you get 35? 7 table, when will you get? 7 5s are. So numerator, denominator multiply with 5. So you got 20 by 35. Now put together these two fractions, 14 by 35 plus 20 by 35. Now as usual, these became the like fractions. You can go on with your addition. 14 plus 20 is equal to 34 by 35 is the final result. This is how you need to add unlike fractions. Once just that, how to make unlike fractions into like fractions. First to take the LCM of the denominators and try to obtain that LCM in the denominators of both the fractions, make them like, and then do the addition. Now we will see how to subtract the like and unlike fractions. Here just see 10 by 15 minus 9 by 15. These two are which type of fractions? Like. So as how we have taken the denominator single time for addition, here even for subtraction also you have to take the single number 15. Now write both the numerators. 10 minus 9, which is 1 by 15 is the result of this one. So whenever you are doing addition or subtraction, be very careful that whatever you are adding or subtracting must be done only to the numerators, not to the denominators. Never try to add or subtract the denominators. Now just to see how to subtract the unlike fractions. So this is 6 by 7 minus 1 by 5. So here Martina 1 by 8. So now here you can see both the denominators are different. Now apply the same formula, taking the LCM of the denominators to make them like. Here what are the denominators? 7 and 8. Now start doing the LCM. I'm going to take, here are the list of the prime numbers. So from this list we are going to select one of the table and we are going to start the LCM. Now you can start with 2 table. Take 2 table, will you get 7 in 2 table? No, bring down. 2 table, when will you get 8? 2 4s are 8. Again continue with the 2 table. Take 7 again, and 2 table, when will you get 4? 2 2s are 4. And next one, again take 2 table. Bring down 7 as it is, and 2 table, when will you get 2? 1s are. And last and finally take 7 table. 7 table, when will you get 7? 1, and this one as it is. Remember that whenever you are calculating the LCM, ending you must get 1 1. That is the end of the LCM. Now we are going to multiply all these numbers 2 into 2 into 2 into 7. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 7s are 56. This is what the number we want in the denominators of both the fractions. Now take the first fraction 6 by 7. Here what is the denominator we are actually having? 7. But how much you need? 56. 7 table, when will you get 56? 7 8s are 56. Multiply both numerator and denominator with 8. So 6 8s are 48. 7 8s are 56. Now bring down the next fraction, that is 1 by 8. Actual denominator is 8 but we want 56. So take 7 to multiply. 1 7s are 7 by 8 7s are 56. Now you can see both became the like fractions. Now put together 48 by 56 minus 7 by 56, which is, as I said, never try to add or subtract the denominators. 48 minus 7 is 41 by 56. This is how you need to subtract the unlike fractions and how to subtract the like fractions. I hope you all understand today's session. So please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Remaining operations with the fractions we will be discussing in the next session.